Not right there. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what? Right when I get out, bro, that thing shoots all the way back up. I'm sure I missed a lot of stuff. Got this AI coin right here. I'm just gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. AI coin's been kind of sending, so I feel like there's a good chance this will as well. There we go. Honestly, I'm gonna dip out. I'm dipping out right before migration. Bro, I don't even think I want to take it to migration. Okay, maybe I should help. 51 in a dream. 11 minutes. Sending. Oh my god, I literally bought right at the dip. See how high this goes. That's good volume. Decent amount of real buys. Not too bad. Truth Terminal final coin. Never heard of that one. Nova fucked me up. Lost 2 SOL because it took 5 seconds to sell. I'm not sure what's happening, man. I haven't had any issues at all with Nova. Oh my god, wait, this thing's going crazy. Wait. I don't know if this will migrate, but I mean, buy pressure is kind of insane. 51 in a dream. My coworkers think I'm delusional. My wife says crypto is just a scam. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. If we get all-time high again, that's really good. Oh my god, wait a minute. Wait. Might be cooking up something here. We might be cooking up something here. Hold on. Retire my mom coin. All-time high again? Wait, dude, this is kind of cooking. This is kind of cooking. 51D migrating for sure. It's looking like it, bro. Jesus. This thing is sending, bro. Dude, sometimes you just gotta freaking YOLO into it, bro. Some big sells, big sells. See if we get some buys back. See, all-time high again. Let's see. If no all-time high, I'm probably out. Yeah, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm out right there. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what? Right when I get out, bro, that thing shoots all the way back up. Alright, maybe I should have sold like half. A mistake was made, brothers. A mistake was made. I mean, we still made 2.44 SOL. Download moreram.com. Bro, what? Maybe I just cheat this, bro. I think this is gonna migrate. He got into it too. This is kind of funny. I look, you kind of want to sell before it gets to migration now. Ooh. Oh, maybe I should have sold. Maybe I should have sold. back, coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back. All right, I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. What is this? 13 minutes ago? Get into it because it's OG. I'm a research now. I don't know about this one, y'all. I don't know about this one. We'll see. See if this picks up at all. How much start with? 17? Earlier I started with 13. Like the first little stream. Before I got off to get my wife some medicine. Get her checked out. Getting a few real buys in here. Do you have any idea why Bullux is always lagging? I don't know. Bullux has been lagging for me as well. I'm not entirely sure. Getting some more buys. See if this picks up. Nah, I mean this is kind of, it's not anything crazy. Oh wait. Ah, so he hasn't dropped the CA yet. I don't know about this one. Get out of this. Jesus. Yeah, I lost them from that. What is this? %. I'm top blasting. I mean, this isn't really that much top blasting because it's only at 30K market cap, but I think this one has potential. Some volume, some real buys, low bundles. Ah, shit. It's not exactly OG though, but is this the real one? That's to verify. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. That's another blunder. Damn it. Okay. Oh wait, why am I even buying this? Made 2 sold though. Will this send? Looks like it. Yes. 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 Wait, actually, this might migrate. Hold on. Holy Strembo, it's gonna migrate. Oh, he bought. Oh my god, thank god he bought. Come on. Is this OG? This might be OG. Oh god, it's not OG. Fuck. Fuck. No. Alright. I don't think we're fucked. I don't think we're fucked. I think I'm selling like 50% though. Fuck. NovaClick is the extension that attaches to BullX. Where's my auto sell on? It's not. I don't know if the OG will send. I don't know if the OG will send. 2 weeks ago is like a really long time. See, the problem is I know I'm not going to be able to sell. Wait, did I sell my whole bag of this? On accident? Fuck, I think I did. I did, didn't I? I thought my other fuck. I thought my other order didn't go through. Be completely honest with you, bro. It's just meta. This is an OG. Let's see if it'll run though. It might still run. It's looking like it's running. A lot of the non-OGs are running for some reason. Couldn't tell you why. Let's see though, let's see. Get all-time high, that's gonna be huge. Close to all-time high. Nice, this is huge actually, hold on. Cupsy I think still has a bag in here too. Oh boy. We're going stupid, we're going dumb. Oh. Buyback? Did we go all-time high again? Wait. All-time high again? I'm in it if we go all-time high again. Oh boy. Yo, Oma with the 8 raid, bro. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, brother. Hope you're having a good day, man. We're having a pretty solid day right now. You know what it is. 7 soul. Hope you had a good day trading, man. Appreciate the raid. Motion. Okay. All right. I'm out there, bro. I'm out there, bro. Pretend it's hot potato. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Oh wait, I'm gonna get pooped on. Oh, nice. Insta buyback. Potential. There's a few other hot potatoes, but I feel like this could still run a decent amount at least. Holy Stramboli. Nice. Nice. All-time high? All-time high? Sort of? Ah, no. Damn. 0.7, not bad. Damn. I don't care. I got 0.7, whatever. Bro, you were at 5K subs 2 weeks ago? Bro, yeah, no, man. We're literally building an army, bro. Literally building an army. 10-minute challenge is meta now? I was just in one. It died, though. Wait, what is this Bark coin? You bought it? I'm pretty sure this was the right decision. I'm pretty sure. Dude, everything this guy freaking buys, for the most part, freaking migrates, bro. Surely this will too, right? Maybe? Alright, bro. Oh my god, right when someone bought. Literally, there's no movement, bro. There's just no movement. It's just sketchy at that point. I'm not staying in it. I'm not staying in it. Wait, here's another speed run. This is sketchy. This is sketchy. But it's possible. It's possible. Oh my god, it's possible. Wait. I'm out. I'm out.